Voice control is found everywhere in the world. Unfortunately, the world can be a noisy place, be it environmental noise or multiple people talking. This is only one of the two major issues with implementing voice control in your product line. The other is a cloud connection. Without one, your products are limited to a set of keywords that must be spoken in order. Hi, I'm Vin D'Agostino. Renesas is addressing these limitations with their RA8 voice combo solution. This is a combination of several voice control features running on the RA8M1 microcontroller. These features include APF, the Renesas audio processing front end, which helps to isolate spoken word from background noise. NLU, natural language understanding, allowing a user to speak naturally and have the system pick up keywords to recognize commands. CNSV, Cyberon Speaker Verification, a Cyberon solution that takes keyword detection to the next level, taking speech recognition and elevating it to voice recognition. And VAS, Voice Anti-Spoof, which gives the system the ability to discern between a live voice and recorded voice. To demonstrate these features, Renesas has created the voice combo demo running on the VK RA8M1 board. Let's take a look. Here we have the Renesas RA8M1 with the voice combo demo already loaded. The board is connected to a computer via USB and is being used as a stereo microphone. We'll start by showcasing the APF. Normally, we try to record these videos in a controlled, noiseless environment. However, given the function of the demo, we're going to introduce some environmental noise. Now we'll record some audio. Renesas is addressing these limitations with their RA8 voice combo solution. The demo is built to clearly show the effects of the APF using the stereo track. On the left channel, you can see the unprocessed audio, and on the right channel, the audio after being processed by the APF. Note the clear differences between these two waveforms. Next, we'll show the NLU, CNSV, and VAS features of the software. First, we'll need to register our speaker. Train speaker 1. Hi, Renesas. Hi, Renesas. Hi, Renesas. Now that we're registered, we'll try a command. At the same time, we'll record that command on a phone. Hi, Renesas. You can see that the demo was able to recognize our voice. Great! Now we'll try to gain access with our recorded voice. Hi, Renesas. No such luck. As you can see, the system is able to discern between our live voice and our recorded voice. This is a lot for an MCU, but the RA8M1 features a Cortex M85 core that supports helium acceleration for DSP functions. This delivers much higher performance, allowing us to run these algorithms locally without the need for server support. For more information or a demo, contact your local Renesas FAE or sales representative, or visit us on the web at www.renesas.com.